Many courses teach you how to code, but they don't tell you the theory and the way of thinking behind coding. For example, they don't tell you why would you choose while loop but not a for loop. Why would you pass two parameters to a function but not only one? We'll teach you how to think about solving coding problems throughout quizzes. There are 112 video format quizzes that aim to keep you engaged with this course and teach you the Python fundamentals in an easy to follow manner. Stateofdata.com is a training center who provide a platform for thousands of people to expand their understanding of programming and computer science. Founded in 2013, our mission is to spread the love for programming. To achieve this, we're working hard on providing content that will help people build a solid foundation of those subjects. In this course, expect to master the foundation and know how to solve problems using Python. This course will introduce you to the fundamental ideas in computing and teach you how to read and write your own computer programs. We're going to do that in the context of building a search engine. Unit 1 will teach you the Python grammar and show you how to use variables, strings, and some Python built-in functions to work on them in order to create a web crawler that makes use of those. Unit 2 will take you in more depth in using procedures, loops, and the logical constructs in order to add more functionality to the crawler that we've built in Unit 1. Unit 3 is about managing data through mastering the use of the different data types to be able to create the search engine index. Our biggest goal is to learn about computer science, so Unit 4 focuses on teaching you how computers store data and how to be cost-effective when doing that, in addition to understanding the foundation of networks and data management. By the end of Unit 5, you'll have a better understanding of how program runs and how to implement a hash table for our search engine. Unit 6 will extend the grammar introduced in Unit 1 and will show you how to get the best result for a search query in our search engine project. That's the content in a nutshell. I hope you're as excited as I am to start this learning journey, so just click the enrollment button today and thank me later.